Severe floods hit Agen after 2 months and 0.39 worth of rain in just 3 hours. France. Lot-et-Garonne department in southwest France was hit by record-breaking rainfall on September 8, 2021, inundating streets of the city of Agen with more than 2 meters (6.6 feet) of water. According to Meteo France, Le Garenne station in Agen recorded 128.8 millimeters (5.07 inches) of rain between 1900 hours and 2200 hours LT on September 8, with as much as 80.5 millimeters (3.16 inches) in just 1 hour. The amount broke the previous 24-hour rainfall record set on February 12, 1990, at 74 millimeters (2.91 inches). While no injuries or fatalities were reported, around 70 firefighters were deployed to around 130 incidents, mostly for flooded cellars or buildings. Heavy rain was also registered in Aude department, where Caunes-Minervois registered 57.6 millimeters (2.26 inches) in just 1 hour. Carcassonne registered 55.6 millimeters (2.18 inches), of which 42.4 millimeters (1.66 inches) in 1 hour. Albi 47.9 millimeters (1.88 inches), of which 33.9 millimeters (1.33 inches) in 1 hour, and Toulouse 43.7 millimeters (1.72 inches), of which 42.1 millimeters (1.65 inches) in 1 hour.